I'm playing Rising Rockets, Prize Boost, Big Bang, and I got the 4 trigger, which is fucking hard as it's hard, trust me. Getting all 4 screens is hard. Hey, getting all 4 screens is difficult. Dang. See what I mean? This prize boosted. The big ones. I want the big ones. Minor, major, 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 major. Oh shit, come on. Prize boost times 3. Nowhere else. Come on, come on. Which one's gonna hit? Oh shit. I'm on minimum bet. I lost the middle one. The middle one's not spinning no more. $5. I'm going home after this. Or should I? Should I go play $8? $8, $8, $8, $8, $8, $1. So I got the middle one. Prize boost. Oh, times 2. Times 2. I only got the middle one left. It's decent. It's decent. It's decent. Well, how much? I don't know. A lot. It's 4 screens. I'm gonna hop to the one in because she put a lot of money in there. Well, I still got $30 in the machine. I love Rising Rockets. 96. $8 is on the end. Well.